Namashkar. Joyfulness all around the world. This is the mission of my life. Today we are going to do a very ancient and the oldest technique, especially in our Indian culture, which is called Namashkar Mudra. As you are aware that yoga is a union between all extremities, between personal and social, between Atma and Paramatma, between left brain and the right brain, between Shiv and Shakti. So, to achieve that union, to feel that union, a simplest and the easiest way is to do Namaskar Mudra. You know what? Whenever I bring my palms together and bring it near my heart, I observe a balance in all of my differences. Whenever I do Namaskar with anyone, I feel an emotion to unite with that person. This is actually happen because whenever we bring our palms together, all the opposite emotions, likes, dislikes, craving, resentment, becomes balanced. So just do this exercise every day for few minutes. Join your palms together in Namaskar Mudra and see that person or a thing that value in your life. It could be sun, moon, stars, sky, cloud, trees, mountains, your husband, your wife, your children, your parents, whosoever. Just see that person with your utmost feeling of love and attention, and you will feel your life is totally transformed. Be in that position for next 2 to 3 to 5 minutes. I do it personally. Whenever I go in a public place, whenever I see any senior citizen, I just do namaskar, and within fractions of second, a smile is shared, a happiness is shared. That actually one we wish to have in our life forever. This is a beautiful exercise. Thank you very much. Be in love. Be united. Thank you.